Former Memphis police officer Preston Hemphill goes back on the witness stand this morning in the murder trial over Tyre Nichols' death. And yesterday, the prosecution rested its case after just 2.5 days of testimony. I think we all thought it would go a little longer, didn't we?
A lot of people were surprised at them resting so quickly, but FOX13's Dominic Dillon is down at 201 Poplar. So Hemphill scheduled to get on the witness stand again. What about yesterday? Anything that he said that was significant or memorable?
One of the things that stood out to me was he explained what he was feeling at the time that he stated, and we heard it on body camera video, stomp him. That was what he said after Tyre Nichols ran off. But I'm going to also take you back to yesterday while he was on the stand. He also gave us a little bit of background information about himself. He stated that he was on patrol with officers Demetrius Haley and Emmett Martin the night of the deadly beating. He also stated that he was a member of the now disbanded Scorpion team, along with the 3 other officers that are currently on trial. He was fired for his role in the initial traffic stop that led to the beating, but he was never criminally charged, and he also never went to the other scene where the beating actually occurred. He told the jury that he made the traffic stop with Haley and Martin, and they considered it high risk because Nichols kept driving after they tried to pull him over. He also walked the courtroom through the body camera video while he was on the stand. And you can see him in that video, as I said, fire his taser at Nichols and then say that he hopes the officers stomp him after Nichols runs off.
You made a comment there. What was your comment?
That I hope they stomp his
Did you have any reason to believe that anybody was going to stomp anybody's?
No, sir.
What do you mean by it?
It just from being pissed off at the situation, from being pepper sprayed and losing my glasses and just angry.
Hemphill went on to say that everything that they did during the traffic stop was what they were taught to do. Once again, he's expected to take the stand again at 9 o'clock, and we're going to be in the courtroom. We're also going to bring you a little more inside looks of the courtroom from yesterday in the next 30 minutes.
He was a witness for the defense. Dominic Dillon live downtown. Look, if you want to watch the whole thing, you can go gavel to gavel as we live stream the trial on the FOX13 YouTube channel. Increasingly, people have been turning to that with this big case happening in downtown Memphis.